How to play Please Donate. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can play Please Donate. Well, the process actually is very simple. If you want to do it on your phone, if you want to play Please Donate on your phone, or whether you want to do it on your Windows, you want to make sure you have installed Roblox, right? Whether on your Windows or on your phone. Then all you gotta do is head over to your browser and searching for Please Donate, and you can see the very first link, www.roblox.com. It is the official website. Make sure you are on the particular website, and you can see the Please Donate link. Tap on it, and now you'll be on the link and you'll get this play icon. Simply tap on play icon here and your Roblox should open up. In my case, it is not installed, but let me show it to you on one of my other devices. So I'll just search for Please Donate here, and once you have done so, you can see I have the particular link here. Simply tap on it and open it up, and now it should open up Roblox right away. So it's asking me to sign in. Let me sign in real quick here, and once you're signed in, it should load up the game quickly right away here. So you can see game, tap on play, and now it will start loading up, and now you're on the game, you're good to go, you're good to play. So this is how you can easily play Please Donate. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.